done. 3/4 of the way. I want to just put some snow on my face.
Ready? Get
to the end of the snow.
Come to Colorado, catch Lakers.
It's so easy. Has been done today.
What's going on, guys? And as you can tell from those, we aren't in Iowa no more. Out here in Colorado, just visiting some friends and gonna do some ice fishing. Ice is done back home, but so this might be my last ice fishing trip of the year. And the plan today is get some lake trout. Hopefully, that's a bucket list fish for me. If I can knock that one out, you know, that'll be freaking awesome. I have no idea what I'm doing. There's a few guys out here that I know and they fish for lake trout, so hopefully they can put me on one. And here's our little path towards the water. I've never had to go down a hill like this before, so it'll be interesting. I think I'm gonna leave you guys here and we'll see you on the ice. There we go. There we go. Why doesn't it just keep going? Oh. Okay, I'll try going forward.
Go.
It's hot. Oh, that snow is getting thick.
Yeah.
Oh, it's getting real thick. Man, I was breathing so hard the mic's frosted up.
For you. This is for you.
I hope we catch 26. We gotta be in what, like 60?
You can start at 35, 40.
I just gotta catch one, then it'll be my fish of a lifetime.
Usually we're right at that line.
Right at the line.
Where's that line?
Flash your guys.
No, just cut it all the way down.
All the way down?
Do you want the skin? That's what makes it skin.
Do we want the bone too?
Yeah. Just do it all.
How big?
How many fish we got?
Well, this one's like thin already.
Yeah, that's good.
Is this how you do it?
Cut that in half.
Cut in half?
Yeah, so just put a chunk on your jig.
Oh, that's how you do it. This too big?
No, that's good.
Oh,
Hey, that's one.
they do exist.
The unicorn is real.
Oh, good job, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It was a 35.
35.
Hey, at least we know there's fish here.
They exist.
They exist.
One every hour. I'm on pace to catch one now.
Yeah. One every hour. We're all on pace for one, right?
Haven't even seen a fish yet, I don't think.
Go all the way down, go all the way down.
All the way down?
Yep.
Hit the bottom?
Yeah, bottom and then lift.
Oh.
Oh yeah, see. I knew your plastic, they like it. That's why I was like, let me bring the plastic. Okay. Oh, it's on you?
I don't know. Oh, was that a bite?
It was on you.
Was that a bite? I don't know if that was a bite.
You're getting too horny, my
I know. Man, I got too horny.
I know, I told you. You saw it, right? You saw it come in and you're like, oh.
I guess I would know, right? They hit it hard?
Oh yeah, they hit it. They'll pull
I
you.
think it was the ice tricked me when I was...
They're gonna pull it, bro. They'll pull it, man. You just gotta lift and yank hard.
So when they come up, do you want to just keep pulling it away from them?
Yeah. Sometimes they'll go, if they're aggressive, they'll go hard, but if not, you gotta go back down to get them off that bottom again.
Oh, kind sir. Oh,
Whoa, listen to that drag.
that's service. That's service, man. Like cleaning my hole. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, beer me up!
Bad.
Beer me up!
There you go. Good, bud. I thought that.
Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep.
Yeah, I had fish alarm.
Nice.
Yeah.
Dan.
You got fish alarm, baby.
Midday update. We got 2 lake trout. Oh, still alive. I didn't catch any of these, but man, I had one follow me like 30 feet. And he did not commit. All these other guys were like surprised that he didn't even hit. Crazy. Hopefully I can get one before we leave today. We'll see if I get back and have a fish on. I think I'm gonna downsize. Time to downsize. This might be a little too ambitious. Then when I got back to my rod, he was on it. No, near the bottom. He came all the way up to 20. So sad today. So after I got done retying, I see that Gorge is fishing my hole, and here's what happened. Bite, Gorge?
Yeah. Oh boy, come on.
Huh?
Uh-oh, again?
He's still there.
Why you drop so high for it?
Is he on?
Oh! Oh, he stole your fish!
I
He
know.
stole your fish!
Oh, look at that. Oh wait, is that a sake rod?
That is a sake rod.
That's on the Denver rod.
Ah,
Oh,
you Boise, Idaho.
Wow.
Boise, Idaho. Shut up!
See,
Oh, he's coming. He's right there, right there.
Oh.
Pull him up, pull him up.
Oh, lucky.
No more long fish.
No more long fish!
More
Iowa on the board, boys.
Iowa on the board.
I got a long face. Lucky.
That
Man,
was your fist. I'm sorry, man.
gave up my hole to go downsize, and then this guy catches one. So sad. All right, that's gonna wrap up day 1, and I am still skunked. Apparently, this is the worst day of fishing these guys ever had up here. That's all what the local guys say. The local homies. The weather is awesome, and then the scenery. Look at this scenery. Even though I didn't catch any fish, still pretty cool to be out here. It was a cool experience, guys. Fishing in the mountains. Even though I didn't catch a fish. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go here, and tomorrow is gonna be round 2. Hopefully I can get something. Oh, almost forgot. So our buddies call this the hike of death, and you'll see why. We gotta go around that corner, up the hill, and then our car is gonna be parked on the other side of that ridge somewhere. So I ain't looking forward to that. Now for real, I'm gonna let you guys go. See ya.
Keep going, Gorge. We're right behind you.
Why do I have to film stuff?
I don't know.
We just gotta get past this, and then what happened there?
Yeah.
We're going to the boat ramp next time.
Yeah.
If we ever come back here.
I know. Here I can't. Neither am I.
Oh yeah, I love ice fishing. Come to Colorado, come catch Lakers.
Yeah, so easy.
So easy.
Imagine if we would have caught fish. Would have sucked more.
Another 30 pounds.
Yeah, another 30 pounds.
It's a blessing
Yeah.
in disguise. Oh man, that no snow part's gonna suck. Oh man, it's muddy.
Yeah. Oh.
Why didn't we go to the boat ramp?
No, I don't know. I'm dying. I hate getting old.
F this place. Oh. Hey guys, it is day 2 of my Colorado fishing trip, and at a different lake this time. Seen more action, and I hooked up once, but I could not put him on the ice. Oh, fish on! Fish on! Oh, fish off! Fish off! Oh my god, are you kidding me? Oh, what a heartbreaker. Maybe I didn't set the hook good enough? I'm gonna really set the hook on the next guy. And our guide, Mr. Yang over there, he caught one. I'm coming, Mr. Yang.
There's a bunch of them there. He is already on. I didn't even know he was on. I was trying to go for the one on the bottom, but little did I know this guy had already hit it.
I see bubbles. Oh.
Nice size.
Oh, yeah. This is bigger than the ones from yesterday.
This is what I'm talking
Good
about.
job, Yang.
Thank you. I will need you to because I'm the guide. I'm just kidding.
Okay, I'm going back down. So we're no skunk. We're seeing a lot more action today than yesterday. So far, me and Gords, we are skunko, but I did hook up once. Man, I'm tired just walking.
Come on, you need to get one, Kit. Let's get them.
Are you guys still marking stuff?
They're still there, but they're not hitting. So they'll follow me up, and then they won't hit.
Let you guys go here, and hopefully we'll be on a fish here soon. Yeah, these Lakers, they ain't living up to the hype right now. And I would think if there's like 2 or 3, like that would really get them going, you know? So far, wipers are more aggressive than these guys. I didn't even know he was there. I was just sitting there jigging it, then I ripped it, and then my mark moved, and then there was a mark where my mark was. I didn't see him come up, he just was there. Here we go.
There we go.
Oh!
Oh,
What?
Are you sure? Still not on?
Nope, not on.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I did! I did! Way harder this time. Alright, I'm starting to hook like at least two times. This is not my weekend. I'm struggling hard, dude. It's a little frustrating, I'll admit. Feeling good? Yeah, it feels pretty good.
Oh dang. It's giving him some good head shakes. Oh, that one.
They're so sexy.
On the bottom.
I think he got caught on the ice.
No, come on. Pull him up.
Oh wait.
He's there. He's a monster, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, he was still there. Oh.
Alright. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go for a Laker, baby.
Oh.
It's over.
Oh.
It's over.
No more virgin.
It's not really good. He's like, oh, it's over. Man.
Damn. All right, Kit. Picture. Hold it.
Yeah, hold it and take that picture.
Oh,
There you
yeah.
go. Came all this way for it. Don't let that drop back in.
Don't let that one drop back. There you go.
Nice.
Woo! Finally, the fish point. We can send the fish.
Oh yeah. Oh, I thought he was off. I was like, huh? Because I didn't feel him fighting anymore.
That come from the bottom?
No, he was up probably like 40 feet. I barely saw a blip. And then he actually hit it twice. Got the monkey off my back.
That's the quietest I heard Kit reeling up a fish, man.
Thank you, Mr. Yang. Thank you. Ooh, yeah. All right, guys, it finally happened. I got the monkey off my back. Got my very first lake trout. It's not a monster. He actually fought pretty good. I thought he was going to be bigger than this. I actually thought he came off because I didn't feel him fighting anymore. And I thought he got stuck on the ice maybe. And then the spoon popped off. I'll show you guys what I'm using. Just a little rattle spoon tipped with sucker meat, right? Mr. Yang? Sucker meat. On the trusty old sake rod, of course. Built by Sean. And now it's Mr. Grandy's turn. Thanks for the assist, by the way, Gords. So I had 2 fish pop off earlier, and I missed another bite. And this guy actually hit it twice. That first bite, it was an up bite. So, and I didn't set the hook because I wasn't sure. Then I had to work him a little bit more. And then he came back and smacked it. I did not want to say a single word when I was reeling up that last fish.
I know you didn't.
It was just straight up like, and then we reeled down a little bit, did it again. Like, this guy ain't going nowhere.
Done, Kit?
Yes.
All right.
It's gonna wrap it up.
Wrap it up.
So that's gonna wrap up our day 2 of our little lake trout adventure. I finally caught a lake trout. I could have had like 4. I'm still learning. Not used to fishing in like 60 feet, you know. All right, I'll see you guys.